Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix lag on Nintendo Switch 2. Alright, let's begin. First, press and hold the power button on top of your console. Select power options and choose power off to shut it down completely. Next, unplug your modem and router for about 30 to 60 seconds, plug them back in and then power your Switch back on to see if the connection improves. If you still have lag, open System Settings from the home menu. Scroll down to Internet and run a connection test. Ideally, you want at least 30 megabits download and 10 megabits upload for smooth online play. Now, go to Internet settings. If possible, use a wired connection while the Switch 2 is docked, as this gives a more stable connection. If you must use Wi-Fi, keep the console close to your router and remove any objects blocking the signal. Select your Wi-Fi network, choose Clear Settings to forget it, then reconnect. Go to Change Settings. Scroll to MTU and change it from 1400 to 1500. Then go to DNS settings, switch to manual and set the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and the secondary DNS to 1.0.0p1, then save. So that's basically how you can fix lag on Nintendo Switch 2. That's it for this video. Thanks.